Today, we're going to learn the Chinese character fa and 10 common words that contain it. The basic idea behind fa is a way, method, rule, or system. You'll see it in everyday words like feng fa, meaning method or way, and ban fa, meaning a way to solve a problem. But you'll also find it in words like fa lu, law, yu fa, grammar, and shu fa, calligraphy. So instead of memorizing these words one by one, let's look at the common idea behind fa and see how it changes slightly depending on the word. Now let's look at 10 common words with fa. Fa. As we go through them, pay attention to how fa gives each word the idea of a way, method, rule, system, or approach. 1. Feng fa. Feng fa. Method, way. Feng fa is made up of feng, meaning direction, way, or method, and fa, meaning method or way. Literally, it has the idea of a way or method. In natural Chinese, feng fa means a method or a way of doing something. For example, 你有什么好方法吗? 你有什么好方法吗? Do you have any good ideas or methods? You can imagine several different roads leading to the same destination. Each road is a different feng fa, or way of getting there.
办法, 办法, way, solution. 办法 combines 办, meaning to handle or deal with something, with fa, meaning a way or method. So the basic idea is a way to handle something. In everyday Chinese, 办法 often means a way to solve a problem, or simply a solution. For example, 别担心，我们会有办法的。别担心，我们会有办法的。Don't worry, we'll find a way. Imagine having a problem in front of you. You think about it and finally find a 办法, a way to deal with it.
法律, 法律, law, legal system. 法律 is made up of fa, meaning law or rule, and lü, which also carries the idea of a rule or regulation. Together, 法律 means law or the legal system. Here, fa is no longer simply a method. It refers to rules that society is expected to follow. For example, 我们都应该遵守法律。我们都应该遵守法律。We should all obey the law. A simple image to remember 法律 is a big book full of rules telling people what they can and cannot do. 4. 语法, 语法, grammar. 语法 combines 语, meaning language or speech, with fa, meaning rules or a system. So the basic idea is the rules of a language. In natural Chinese, 语法 means grammar, the rules and structure that organize a language. For example, 这个句子的语法不难。这个句子的语法不难。The grammar of this sentence isn't difficult. Think of a language as a game with its own rules. Those rules help us put words together correctly. That's 语法. 5. 想法, 想法, idea, thought. 想法 combines 想, meaning to think or to have a thought, with fa, meaning a way or manner. The literal idea is a way of thinking. But in everyday Chinese, 想法 usually means an idea, thought, or sometimes an opinion. For example, 我有一个新想法。我有一个新想法。I have a new idea. For an easy memory image, imagine a little light turning on inside your head. That new idea is your 想法. 6. 说法，说法 way of saying, way of putting something, view. 说法 combines 说, meaning to say or speak, with 法, meaning a way or manner. So literally, it has the idea of a way of saying something. In natural Chinese, 说法 can mean a particular way of expressing something, a statement, or a particular view. For example, 这个说法我以前没听过。这个说法我以前没听过。I've never heard it put that way before. Imagine two people explaining exactly the same thing, but using different words. Each different way of expressing it is a different 说法. 7. 做法, 做法. Way of doing things, approach. 做法 combines 做, meaning to do or make, with 法, meaning a way or method. The basic idea is a way of doing something. In everyday Chinese, 做法 refers to the way someone does something, their approach, or a particular practice. For example, 我不太同意他的做法。我不太同意他的做法。I don't really agree with the way he handled it. Imagine two people doing the same job in completely different ways. Their different approaches are their 做法。书法, 书法, calligraphy. 书法 combines 书, meaning writing or book, with 法, meaning method, technique, or style. The basic idea is a particular technique or art of writing. In modern Chinese, 书法 means calligraphy, especially the traditional art of beautiful Chinese handwriting. For example, 他从小就喜欢学书法。他从小就喜欢学书法。She has liked learning calligraphy since she was young. Imagine a brush moving carefully across paper, creating beautiful and precise strokes. That special way of writing is 书法. 9. 加法, 加法, addition. 加法 combines 加, meaning to add, with 法, meaning a method or mathematical operation. So it literally describes the method of adding. In everyday Chinese, 加法 means addition. For example, 小孩子先学加法。小孩子先学加法。Children learn addition first. Imagine two groups of numbers coming together to make one larger number. That is 加法. 10. 减法, 减法, subtraction. Finally, we have 减法. 减 means to subtract or reduce, while 法 means a method or operation. So 减法 is the method of subtracting. In natural Chinese, it simply means subtraction. For example, 这道题要用减法来算。这道题要用减法来算。You need to use subtraction to solve this problem. Imagine a group of objects getting smaller because you take some away. That is 减法.